Alright, you guys, welcome back. I went to Target over the past 2 days. I found Gravedigger the Legend, which is part of Mix 38. Really nice. There's a back. All I need is a dragon, the Toro Loco candy one, the Megalodon Ghost Crew, Black Pearl, Catastrophe, and Monster Mutt. There's guys, pretty cool. Very nice. Nope, that just slid out. Ooh, okay. The light on it, so you guys can see it. Isn't that cool? Here's Gravedigger the Legend. Monster Jam logo, Kildewa Hills, North Carolina, BKT tires. The headlights are just gray. The blue pinstripe, which is cool. Blue and silver. Classic color combination. Black chassis, black roll cage. The back. So here it is, guys. So I got 3 more to unbox, guys. Peace out.